Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's card making video, we're just going to be using one supply, and I'm going to be using this Violet Veil PET tape from the washi tape shop. Now, if you don't have any PET tape, you could use washi tape that's got decorative patterns on for these cards. But I'm just going to be using this one tape today. It's got some really gorgeous designs on, some fun little text and quotes. And I'm just going to start by trimming a strip of the tape off. I'm just going to try and avoid cutting through any of the patterns. So it's going to be a bit of a wobbly cut. But that means that I've still got those stickers on the other side that can be used another time. So all of these cards that I'm making today are going to be a mini notelet size. I've got 4x4 inch card blanks, and I've got white panels that are 3.5 inches squared. I've made matte layers in some burgundy cardstock that's 3 3/4 inches squared as well. And so I've peeled off the tape surrounding the images, and that's just going to make it easier to peel off the stickers. I find it a lot easier to work on a strip of the tape rather than trying to keep rolling it back up on the roll and ending up pulling out more than I need to. So don't be afraid to just cut a strip off and then work from that. I'm going to be using liquid glue for all of my gluing down today, but of course you could use a tape runner if you prefer. But that's the first card finished. I just think these come together so quick and easy. They're really great ideas for beginners, or if you just have limited supplies and you do maybe just want to use some stickers up from your stash, then you don't need PET tape to do this. You could definitely use stickers, rub-ons, anything like that to create cards. So for this card, I'm trying to create a bit of a mixed media kind of element. I've added my text on my focal image, and then there's these lovely stickers that are kind of like washi strips. So I'm going to add them along the side and the bottom. I do decide to remove that one because I'm not really sure how to layer something over it without it getting completely lost. So I carefully remove it, and then I'm going to add some flowers down the side as well. I'm going to trim off the excess using some long bladed scissors, and then I can use that on the other side of the card as well, and that will just finish off the design really nicely. There's some lovely little decorative dots on the tape as well, so I'm going to use those to add a bit of extra interest once I've glued this down to my matte layer and also my card blank. Now remember, I'm making these as mini small kind of notelet cards because I think these make great gift sets, but you could really make cards whatever size and shape that you prefer. So just experiment with what you've got and see what works for you. But those little dots just finish off the card really nicely. They kind of look like little embellishments. So for the next card, I decide to use the butterfly as the focal image, and then I'm going to add the flowers around the edge of it. Now that is how the butterfly was on the tape. It had this flower kind of arch around it, and so you can sometimes use the layout on the tape to help you choose how you're going to lay out your card. I did want to add another flower arch, so I just got that off the tape. I've added a little sentiment that says whimsical and then a little flower at the bottom, and then that's another card made. So yeah, use the designs on the tape to help you kind of work out what's going to go well together. Sometimes the layout really gives you some inspiration for the cards that you're going to create. And of course, tape is not just for card making. You can use it in your scrapbook layouts, your journaling, art journaling, whatever you like to do. But obviously my channel is all about card making, and so I really want to show you how you can use PET tape to create some really quick and easy cards. This card I've kept really simple. I've just added that gorgeous floral spray in the centre, a little butterfly, and then a sentiment at the bottom, and I just think that looks really, really pretty. So for the fifth and final card today, I'm going to add a floral spray to the centre of this card panel, and then I'm going to add, there's like a little strip of words, so I'm going to add that as my sentiment at the bottom. I really wanted to use the little bird that's on the tape as well, so I'm going to try and find a way to add that in. I'm just using my tweezers there to help me line that up and keep it nice and straight, and then I've popped the bird on the top of the word that says serenity. I'm going to add a few of these little sticker dots that are kind of like little embellishments around the edge of the floral spray, and then that's going to finish off that card really nicely. So I'll add it to its matte layer, add it to the card blank, and then that's the fifth card finished for today. So I really hope that you're enjoying these quick little tutorials. I hope that it's given you some inspiration, especially if you're new to card making or new to PET tape. I hope that it's just given you some quick and easy ideas for how to create layouts on your cards using the tape. As always, all the products that I've used will be linked in the description box below, along with an exclusive code for the washi tape shop. Thank you so much as always for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to use the new hype feature from YouTube as well. It really helps small creators out like me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel but would like to see more from me, then I'd love to have you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.